Them little Where are they? Where's his chubby cheeks? Where are they? Where's the chubby cheeks? Where are they? Where are those chubby cheeks? I know where they are. Where's the chubby cheeks? Where are they? Where are they? Are they there? I'll come and get them. I will. I'm gonna come and get them. I'll come and get them. Shall I come and get them? Ooh. Is this your new friend? Who's that? Is that Ted? Yeah. That's Ted. It's my oldest friend. He's 32 years old. I've known him for that long. Yeah. You want to come in for a cuddle? Here he comes. Ah, look at that. Ah. Let me give him a kiss. That's it. Hey. Say bye then. Say bye. Bye bye.